into a life I didn't choose. Pre-written paths, different views, rules and systems before my name. Told who to be, how to play the game. Digital world got me in a loop. Souls go missing inside the group, collecting numbers, chasing the roll, but no one's feeding the starving soul. Some get lost, some stay blind, some get trapped in their own mind, left behind if you don't obey. Some most just slowly fade away. I feel like I'm not from here, lost in a world unclear. Everybody moving like NPCs, playing roles but they're not like me. I want more than a surface touch. All this less don't mean that much. I'm evolving past what they knew, turning into something new. Even love feels coded now, empty words with a perfect sound. Deep inside there's hidden dreams, but they're too scared to break routines. I see the cracks beneath the skin, silent wars they're living in. I'd rather break than live that lie, even if I'm left behind. Collecting my thoughts, I step away from all the noise they replay. I question everything I've been rewriting, cold beneath my skin, rising above. I cut through the mesh, not what they made.